Hi guys, this is SaDesign channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning broken glass effect in Photoshop. First, I already separate the model and the background layer. Create a new adjustment layer, level, increase black to 5. Use new background with dark navy color. To do that, create a new adjustment layer, solid color, and set the color code #000D18. Then click OK. Put it under the main layer to show the new background color. Next, we will add a bit of light to the border of the subject. Create a new layer with soft light in blending mode. Use brush, white color in foreground. Make sure the opacity and flow are 100%. Now, paint lightly on the edges of the man to add color cast to it. After that, we'll add another layer of light. Just make him look like on fire in blue. Create a new layer. Click to the foreground color and change black to the color of background with color code is #000D18. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Change normal to color dodge in blending mode. Now you can see the background just like the heavy blue clouds. We only need to fill this to the edges of subject. That's why we will add a layer mask to it while hold Alt or Option. Use brush with big size and paint over the light around the man to apply the effect. Then, change the opacity to around 20% to add some small effect to the background. If you want the effect that casts on his clothes, choose the layer mask of background copy. Use black brush and paint on the areas that you want to apply the effect. Moving on to the broken glass. To create broken glass, now we will import the broken glass brushes first. To do that, create a new layer, choose brush tool, click to small arrow icon, choose the wheel icon and select import brushes. You can download the brushes at the link on the description. There are 2 brush files. Select one by one and load it. When you're done, there are 2 new folders that you have just loaded. Drop down the glass brush set, free, and select the 3rd brush. Now we will adjust this glass brush. Go to Window, Brush Settings. Add more space to the stroke at 100. Choose Shape Dynamic, set Size Jitter to 30%, Angle Jitter to 50. Click to the icon that lower right corner to save the brush. Put a name whatever you want to remember for using it later and OK. Now we will add this broken glass brush to layer 3. While adding strokes, use bracket to increase or decrease the size brush. Create a layer 4 to add for small broken glass. and layer 5, 6 for the big one, so it will help to manage after all. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, Angle 64 and Distance 8 pixels. New layer for glass on the other side. Use motion blur to make the glass is different angle to each other. That's why we will not see all the broken glass are the same. You can use Ctrl or Command T to resize, rotate the brush as you see fit. Then add a bit of blur by going to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 5 pixels. Repeat these steps until you see it's enough. Now we'll crush the camera lens. Create a new layer for this step. Right-click to the photo and move the other broken glass brush that you have just imported. There are many kinds of cracked glass brushes. Choose yours and add it to the mirror lens. Next, we'll use other brush to add tiny glasses around the whole big one. Hold R to rotate image while adding stroke. Once you are finished, choose all layers of glass and put them into group for management. Duplicate group with Ctrl or Command J. Turn off group 1. In group 1 copy, right-click to layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. The amount is 85%, radius 1 pixel, and reduce noise, leave it at 0%, then OK. Create a new layer under group 1. You crack glass brush to add more into glass areas. This will help to make the image looks natural. Ensure to clip the image to the main layer below with Ctrl O, G or Command Option G. Create a color lookup and select script winter.look in 3D LUT file. Reduce the opacity to 60%. Create a new layer with blending mode is soft light. You brush with soft brown and paint on the glass to brighten it. That's it. Enjoy your result. If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for any guide video later on. See ya!